ano yung nakakapagpa-hold on sa inyo sa isang relationship kahit toxic na siya? Like, ano yung pinangahawakan ninyo na, pwede pa to, maayos pa to?
Siguro yung word niya after that incident, like, yung kumbaga, kung ano yung promise niya after that, yung parang you're just gonna take it with his words and trust on it.
Yung experience ko doon, medyo masama yung pinangahawakan ko nun. Kasi bata ako, pinangahawakan ko ng sex.
Okay, honest love.
Honest love. Wait, what do you mean by that? Sorry.
Yung physical na
physical.
The physical.
Kahit alam ko toxic na, pero yun nga, may ganun.
Masarap.
Magaling.
Oo.
Okay.
Medyo
Dancer.
Oo.
Okay.
So, parang, nakaka-cancel out yung pagka-toxic niya eh.
Sobrang galing pala, par! Grabe! Matindi pala yun.
Grabe.
Pero yun yung personal experience.
Oh, that's fine.
Din, nakokontrol ko din. Yung
ano?
Nakaka-relate ako kay Cheska. Yung nakokontrol ko din if kaya ko na ibalik yung trust ko sa isang tao. Nakokontrol ko.
Really? I don't think I can do that.
Okay, what makes you stick it out?
I think it depends on, halimbawa, if may nangyayari na fight or something like that. Kung paano nila i-handle yung fight na yun, are they trying to make excuses or are they owning up to their mistake? Ayun.
Okay din yun.
If they own up to their mistake, edi sige, I'll give it a chance.
Kumbaga word din.
Pero kung magiging mo lang ako ng excuse, wala ka.
Ako, dati parang medyo toxic din yung isip ko. Parang sayang. Yun yung isip ko dati, which is bad.
That's bad, yeah.
Kasi kunwari, like, spend years together, parang sayang naman yung oras ko kung hindi ko to, if I want to stick it out.
Yeah.
Parang naiisip ko siya na parang sayang yung 2 taon ng buhay ko kung...
Yeah, pero mas sayang if you stick it out tapos hindi naman, wala na talaga. Mas sayang yun.